Alright guys, we got it unboxed. There's our casters. We'll put those on tomorrow with the help of a floor jack. There's our plate that drops out. There's our handles and our stop bar. I got him off the pallet. Just broke the pallet down, just kind of slid it off. It needs to be spun around, but we'll do that tomorrow. Floor jack will help us do that. We'll get these casters on it. And not going to be much to it to put it together. Back there is the ramp, you know, your loading ramp. And that's your wheel chock. Probably not going to put that stuff on. Not the ramp special. But anyway, the wheel chock, I ordered another one, a lot better one, from Harbor Freight also. And I ordered one like this instead of that one that they send with it, which is puny. Ordered one of those. They just seem to hold better and have better stop bar on them. Anyway, wait till that gets here before we put that on. Get the wheels on that thing, get it jacked up, and they roll real easy, super easy. I'll have to spin it around. I got room in here to spin it around because the back is going to the front. But what we'll do is probably push the street bob out, back this roller out, put it in here, then go ahead and put it on the lift. Sometime. Don't know when that's exactly going to happen. But that's how it goes. It's not bad. It's not hard to do. You see the little axles down there where the big casters go. Pop those on about 5 seconds. The other ones kind of bolt on this swivel. They're a pretty good lift for the money. I think they're, I don't know, $600 maybe. You know, a handy lift would be several thousand. Even used, it would be stupid high. I'm going to leave this stuff in the shop because it's supposed to rain. And I don't have my truck, I have my rollback, so I don't haul it on rollback. So I'll take it on my pickup truck. Bust it up. Anyway, there you go. It's not too hard to put these things together. I'll take my little floor jack tomorrow and jack it up. Pop those rear coasters on. And then put the front ones on. The swivels, you know. And that's it. That's not much to it. Like I said, we're going to put that other vise on. I'll show that too. And I always re-drill my holes and move my tie down anchor points up front. But anyway, they're pretty nice lifts for the money. You know, they're okay. But, you know, my handies are a lot better, I'm not going to lie about that. But these are great for the money. And like I said, my Harbor Freight here around Lincoln, which is close to me, had it. So, heck yeah, why not? We get this little panhead put together, probably don't weigh 600 pounds. Those bikes weren't that heavy back then, so it wasn't nothing to them. Not like today's electronic stuff. Anyway, hope you enjoy these little videos. And if you need a quick, cheap bike lift, these are not a bad way to go. On Marketplace, they're $400 and $500, even $600. I got a brand new one for, I think it's $650 maybe. I'm not sure. It was a good deal, I thought. Anyway, we'll put it together. I'll show you another video on that if you want to. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.